All right, you guys. So I'm gonna show you. It's freezing, you guys. I'm gonna show you different parts of how the weather has changed during the week. I'm gonna show you around Havre. I went up to the mountains. So I'm gonna show you how that was also. And then I asked myself, why do I live here? It's so cold. But you know what? I do love it here. I do. I love the people. I love my community. I know I tell you guys that all the time. Anyway, enough of that. When we went up to the mountains, though, it was like 30 degrees, you guys, and snowing. So when you get high to the mountains, and when I talk about mountains, I was up at Kalispell, Whitefish area. Absolutely gorgeous up there. Absolutely lovely. If you go to Glacier and the Sun Road, that's what I'm talking about. But anyway, come on the adventure with me. Let's go. Anyway, my car says -23. That is straight temperature, you guys. But with the wind chill, this is what the temperature is. But, okay, so I'm up early this morning, heading out for work. So I'm going to turn my heater on and just listen to it, okay? Can you hear it? It sounds like an old person, seriously. Or it sounds like something's going to crawl out from my heater. That just tells you how cold it is. I have plugged it in with the block heater. If you go back in my previous videos, you'll see that here in Montana, and I'm sure in other states, you guys, you need a block heater to start your car. Or actually get it started, especially if you leave it outside. But look, the sun is coming up. Don't let that sun rise when it comes up, because it's still the same temperature. guys, so it is 5 o'clock and it's still -10. It's cold, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I drove home, I didn't wear my gloves, so it's kind of like a heat wave. And we're starting to get warmer during the week, so that is good. Anyway, if you liked my vlog, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free, you guys. It doesn't cost anything, and it does help my channel. So until our next adventure, take care, love one another, and I hope it's warmer wherever I go. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.